Hey guys, what's happening? Alright, so we're just on the outskirts of Darwin City. Well, there's a post office there, there's a car yard there, there's some shops over here, and then there's just like random shit just in the middle of it all. So we're just going to take a walk down here. You saying, Rob?
No.
That's what you say every video, mate.
No.
Jeez. Some abandoned train line. Like ages ago, man. That's pretty sick there. A couple of them are a bit dodgy, man.
You go around the world?
Yeah, because my friends live in England, so yeah. Yeah. Ah, true. Yeah, I've been to Ireland, yeah. It's a nice place, man. But, nah, I love Darwin. I've been here like 10 years now. So. Yeah, I can take a photo, yeah. Oh Rob, there's some fucking long tunnels here, man. It goes to the other side of the road. There's a light there.
Yeah? Well, it's just a drain thing, isn't it? It's a drain. Don't go in it, Tom. It's gross as fuck. Shit and piss will be in that.
Shit. This one goes off somewhere else down there. It's like, goes to the left. That's crazy. So yeah, we met a few of the locals there. I think we're going to move on because they started wanting money and there isn't a lot more to see there. I just wanted to show you the Red Bridge because that's what my channel's all about, showing you bits of Darwin, and yeah, we'll catch you up on the other side. So we've come up to East Point. Just kind of have a fuck around on the rocks. It's pretty cool up here actually. What, the caves?
Yeah, like them. They actually go because the wall's been eroded, isn't
so this is like an old gun thing where they could sit in. Pretty cool, man. Woo! Sick. It's cracking. Beautiful, eh? Let's pop up the other side. Yeah, you get round the other way, I think.
Our trainers should just run about. Looks sick, Sam.
It's like some old fucking jail type thing, I don't know. What do you think this was? What do you think this was?
Just trying to work it out. It looks like something from Star Wars.
Does a bit, doesn't it?
No, I guess some massive anti-aircraft guns with it.
Alright. Bit strange.
This goes in the ground, however this does.
Hey!
That will go down further, so far.
We're getting attacked by birds, man. You just came like an inch off my face.
There's his babies here. They'll come out here again now.
Fuck off, God! Fuck you, mate! Fuck you! Fuck off! Whoa! Over there, which is pretty awesome. The tide's just come in. Well, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Cheers, guys.